VRM. Okay, so now in VRM we can give the value. How you can give the value? In initialization, suppose I will provide the value by default, like shift enter, sorry, enter key. Suppose I will provide one. Okay, IT VRM and text. Suppose text I will give CHENNAI Chennai dot append IT VRM, and same value I will pass 3 times. Here I will give Mumbai. Here I will give Pune. Okay. So now, and this one I will give 2 and 3. Okay, now we have to pass the value. Let's go inside and check. This is VRM ID. ID means text. Okay. Now here VRM ID export. This is VRM values. Values will contain both. IT underscore VRM. Okay, there is type conflict SE38. Let me create one variable. Data base. So there are three values. It is coming correctly, but while passing, something wrong I'm passing. Okay, first we have to set the value, not get the value. 1 minute. V V star VRM star set the value. ID IT underscore VRM. SE38 type something type is not perfect. This is VRM values only I'm passing. VRM values. It is correct only. Okay, I hope so. For this, I have to give PCT. 1 second. PCT. And this one no need. No, it is giving dump. Okay, there is one more thing. As list box list. Yeah, this is suppose I will take as a list box visible length 10. Sorry. Sorry. 10 and this is P. P means we can give input field name and here you can pass the value. Okay, so like this only I have done here PCT. So PCT, yeah, let me execute it. SE38, PCT10, this. Okay, let me remove this character. Okay, SE38, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Character type, this list display. C38. Yeah, now it is coming. List display. Now we have to fill the values here, right? See here, drop down is coming, correct? So this only set VRM value PCT. Okay, let me check what I have written here. All things good only. And let me remove this. I don't think so. This is needed. And here PCT, VRM. C38. SE38. VRM values. work area to internal table. I'm not going with header line. Let me try with this without header line. So here's key what TNR. Okay, so here also one one just two three. Yeah, now it is coming. Okay, hello. So why it is not coming previously? Let me check. It should come till here. Okay. Uh, Here I will give with VRM1 and VRM1, 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 VRM1. Okay, VRM1, ECT, this. Now here I will declare IT VRM1 type type this one. Sorry, with with header line. Yeah, there is a problem with header line. Okay, with header line is not supporting actually. Okay, I don't know why it is not supporting. Okay, so we have to create separate, then only it will support. There is some issue with header line means what, right? The old fashion of writing the code, like pre- previously work area will capture only single value. Suppose this is the work area, right? Work area will capture the single value. Okay, and internal table will be like list of record, total record, right? So both in separate variable. So work area having different structure, and internal table having different structure, different type. I will explain you. Okay, VRM, we have to pass VRM, right? Uh, Let me tell you one more thing. This is the concept of work area and income. Both are different. So let me same here, same structure, right? Then you have to give type table of. Okay, then only it will work. say here. Okay, like this type table of. So see here both are same, right? VRM values, VRM value, but this is the internal table because this is type table of, and here this is simple work area. If you will go in this pool, you will get this is the VRM value. VRM value is the type. Okay, so when you declare the data type of this VRM value, then it will be work area, and type table of, then it will be um, internal table. So here already it is declared, right? Types VRM values type this. So that means we can define this as a uh, internal table, and this is a work area. You can define this structure as a work area, this structure as a internal table. But if you want to use same structure, this type, then you have to use type table of. This is the difference. Okay, so if you don't want to use this type table of, then you can use uh, type simple this and like s. Okay, then it will work. See, if you'll select Chennai, it will come Chennai like this. Okay, so this one is list box. Yes, so going forward, we have next what actually? Let me check. What is this? Screen field. Okay, based on one um, field, how to get the values in the next field. Okay, this one and sub screen. One sub screen. Okay, sub screen. Just you can use. You can call this sub screen. This I think so already explained or what? Okay, so have you tried or what this program sub screen? Hello, you have tried. So did you got block is different. Sub screen is different. Okay, selection screen sub screen call. Yeah. So selection screen. Selection screen begin. Yeah, begin of screen 100. Sub screen. Why it is not coming? Okay, as UV sub screen. Selection screen and of screen 100. Screen 100. Yeah, that's all. So this is the syntax. Now I will display here p parameter p underscore name type C. Okay, so here I will display 20 character, and same I will use another screen. Okay, so this will be 200, and you can't execute it. Okay, first time block you can execute, but this one you can't execute. This is custom screen. Suppose this one roll number, roll number. See, you can't execute it because this is sub screen. Okay, you have to call explicitly start of selection. Call subscreen 100, right? What happened? Okay, there is some syntax error. How to call? Mm, directly we can't call actually subscreen. Inside the screen you have to call. So how first you have to define the screen, then only you can call the subscreen in the screen. So how to use that? I will execute, it will not call. So let me define one screen. Selection screen, begin of screen 9000. This is 9000 is a screen. Selection screen, end of SCR screen 9000. Excel. So this is the main screen, right? I will take small one. This is the main screen. Okay, this is the main screen. Main screen. SAP will provide standard screen which start with 1000. If you are defining your screen, then you have to define with 9000, 8000, anything, right? 1000 is allocated for the SAP screen. Okay, for you, you can start with 9000 main screen. Sub screen will be like this. This is one sub screen. 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 There are multiple sub screens, right? So like this. So sub screen will change. Suppose this is sub screen for GST, right? This is sub screen for PAN based on the country. If it is India, then only PAN. If other country, then CIN. CIN, right? CIN is there. CIN for US, like that. So based on the logic, it will display the sub screen for the particular location. So this is the purpose of sub screen. Sub screen will be called inside the main screen. Okay, this is the concept of sub screen. Okay, so I have given two sub screen. In one is name and another is roll number. So now how to call it? Okay, so there is a syntax. Here is the syntax. This syntax you have to remember. This is the calling the syntax. How to call it? Okay, same I will copy. Okay, so this is the syntax. Begin of tab block tab like this. Let execute. Again it will not execute, so here you can. Now this is also custom screen, right? For custom screen you can call the screen, main screen, call screen, call. This is selection screen, right? Selection screen 9000. See here, like a tab it is coming. Okay, you can see like this. Okay, so there are multiple ways. Okay, let me explore more in detail. F1. uh, During call at selection screen. Okay, let me sub screen only. It is not giving proper answer. Okay, I'm not getting it. Okay, leave it. So here screen tab, right? Selection screen tab. This one I can search. Okay, no issue. Just I want to say there are more. Uh, Suppose if I will give z is 1, then what will happen? Yeah, there is number of lines, right? It will come. Yeah, it is good only, right? You can give multiple selection screen right inside it only. This is actually useful. Most of the times in like in any project, I have not ever seen this type of coding anywhere in the project. Okay, so this is a nice concept. If you will get any requirement, you can suggest this. Okay, that's why most of the people don't know about this. There may be some other concept, right? Right now it is not coming in mind. Like you can do anything. Like in apart from tab, you can display as per the logic. Like if based on the input field. Suppose this is India, then you can switch your screen, sub screen to like PAN card. If you are putting USA, then you can switch to sub screen as like USA screen, like that. It is possible, but you have to work and get the code. Okay, that's for basic. I have told you. You can try that. If you try, then you will be expert on this. Okay, so yeah, this is one. Why it is not going back? This is called sub screen. And what is the next? Sub screen selection field. Yeah, this is also not. I have seen most of the people you are using in the real time, but I have used in some project. Okay, and it is very useful. Okay, so I will tell you sub screen. What is this? 1 minute. There is nothing mentioned, right? 8. Based on one field, another field get data. Okay, you can try this. Okay, today itself by end of EOD, right? Mm, I will just copy some type. This one I don't want to copy. This one also don't want to copy. I will just copy this parameters. Yeah, now I will explain you how. Wait one. Hello. Yeah. So you are getting right. Material description, material number. See here. If you select the material number, the description will come automatically by using F4. In description, you can see there is no F4 button, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can use in which in description. This is the description, right? Description of material, and this is material number already having F4, but here F4 is not there, right? Description I want to populate based on your input MATR, material number. So how to do that? At selection screen on value request for this I can give. Okay. Now there is a 2 FM. First FM you have to read from uh, Dyn Pro, right? Patterns, or you have to read the data from your selection screen. Means if user will provide the material number, so that material number you have to capture and you have to search in SAP system what is the description, and that you can display. Okay, so let me remove this one also. Okay, now this is site. What is site? System, right? System variables. So site rapid means site program name, or dyne pro is screen number. Screen number will be by default, right? 1000. And program name. Now we have to give the field name. So field name we can give something like this. Okay, yeah, and then here you can go and see, this is the table reading current screen values, right? Here you can see field name, okay, index, and field value, and data element. Whatever is detail is there, you can read field of the current screen. All the details you can read from this. So this is the variable I have declared. Now again I have to declare the variable also, and data. This variable I have to declare. So let me type minute. I have to check this one. This is like, right? Type type, yeah, type only, because this is the table, not an internal table. Type table of, here. Yeah. Now I have set my function module to read the data. Now I have to pass the data, right? How you can pass? Like this. You can pass field name. Hi Subham. Meeting is over, right? Just for 10 minutes only it will got finished actually. Okay. So here we are reading the PMATNR, or else you can try this. Okay. There is not much complex logic actually. These values I can read, and this I can read. Yeah, just copy paste here. Remove this. One, two, three. See here with header line. Yeah, hello. Yeah, you can see here. I will select the material number. I can get the F4 button. There is two material description. It is coming right. If you select this, it will come here. Okay, try this. Okay, okay. Simple program only. Yeah. Okay. Then I hope the selection skin part is completed. Right. Next, I will start data dictionary only. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Just selection skin completed. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.